So it's been sitting in here for a while, but obviously when everything is together it'll be heavier. So push it down. Okay, probably not that far down, but anyway. I mean, if it's going to land in the water, it's going to be doing this, right? Bit sideways, the other side, here. Hopefully I'm not really going to land like that, but under the water. Anyway, it's pretty much dry. One or two drops, but that's just like because there's no canopy and I'm splashing. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it won't sink, so that looks good.